Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach you how to make the employee payroll system leave management part. Let us show the demo first. Here, this is the three main functions available. First one should be employee. Here you will be able to register the employee. Just click on this button. Here you will be able to register the employee. Employee number should be auto generated. Here you have to enter the employee details. First name I am going to add the John. Category I am going to add as account. Salary 12,000. Right. Hit save button. Save the details. I am going to go to add another employee. Peter. Category IT. Salary I am going to add 10,000. Right. I am going to add another employee, Kumar, category marketing, salary 20,000. Right. I have entered 3 employees in our company. Right. Now let's cancel it, this form. Now let's back to our database table. This is the registration table. If you look at the database table, you will be able to see all the record will be saved. Right. Now let's back to our project. Right. Now here what I am going to do is here, after add all the employee details, I am going to go to the leave section. This is the leave section. Click on this one. Here this is the leave calculation part. Here you will be here this company rules. In year you will be provide casual leave for 10, annual leave for 10, medical leave for 10. Right. This is the company rules. Right. Year 2019. Right. Click at leave inserted. Right. Perfect. Now let's cancel this form. Right. Now let's back to our database. This is the leave table. You will be able to see here. This employee 001 mean it belongs to the name John. After that, this mean 2 mean Peter, 3 mean Kumar. All employee here leave details should be added. Now what I am going to do is here, I am going to calculate the leave. Right. Here employee leave. Click on this one. Here what I am going to do is here E001, you have to select the employee number. Right. Here if you select the employee number, the relevant details should be displayed. Now imagine the employee Peter get the leave for casual leave. So here click on this one. He wants the leave for 5 days. So here I am going to give the leave for 5 days. Right. Now click OK. Right. The casual leave updated. Right. Perfect. Now what I am going to do is here, again I am going to go to leave management leave. Here again I am going to select Peter, select casual leave. It asks for another 6 days. Click OK. Here you have a casual leave for 5 days only. So here what is message says, you have a casual leave in the system 10 days. You already got 5 days, so you have a remaining 5 days only available for the year of casual leave. You can't get above from this range. Okay. So if you get 4 days, it will be provided. Right. Leave updated. Right. That's a simple one. Here the same thing do as a this one, annual medical as well. Right. Now you will be able to see, go to the database table. Right. You will be refresh it. You can here you will be see here E002 mean it belongs to the person Peter. He has a remaining 1 day only casual leave. Right. He already got 9 days. Right. Other annual leave and medical leave is keep on the table. Right. The simple system how to do step by step we'll see.